Welcome to Safir RESIDENCE-20 in Mahmutlar, Alanya, a luxurious residence with high construction standards located on the first coastline. This complex offers 146 first-class apartments, including 1+1, 2+1, and 4+ duplexes, with stunning sea views and a view of the ancient fortress of Alanya. The residence offers a range of premium amenities, including an open pool, aquapark, indoor pool, hammam, sauna, steam room, fitness center, children's playroom, table tennis, billiards, parking, electric generator, satellite TV, and security and video surveillance. The apartments are equipped with steel entrance doors, kitchen furniture with granite worktops, a complete set of sanitary ware and furniture in the bathrooms, floor covering in ceramic tiles, and aluminum double-glazed windows. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to invest in a luxurious property in Mahmutlar, Alanya. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon at Safir RESIDENCE-20.